Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Network. Today we will be solving a sum, that is find the value of square root of root 49 minus root 48. Here guys, we see that we have two radicals, root 49 and root 48. We know that square root of 49 is 7, but square root of 48 is not a whole number. That's why we call 49 a perfect square and 48 is not a perfect square, because its square root is not a whole number. So we shall solve these both differently. So first we have square root of 49 is 7, so we have 7 minus root 48. Now guys, here we solve root 48 differently. Here I'll write root 48. Guys, whenever we are solving the square roots of number which are not perfect squares, we take their factors out of whom 1 is a perfect square. Guys, we can write this as 16 multiplied by 3 because 16 is the perfect square and it is the square of 4. So we have square root 16 multiplied by 3. Now guys, we use this law of square roots, that is root of a multiplied by b equals to root a multiplied by root b. So when we apply that here, we will have square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 3. We know that square root of 16 is 4, so we get the answer to be 4 root 3. So guys, we have root 48 simplified to 4 root 3. Now we replace root 48 by its value which we got. And guys, this 7 we can write as 4 plus 3. So we have square root of 4 plus 3 minus 4 root 3. Here guys, there is a square root, so we have to bring this expression in the form of a square to solve it. For that, we use this identity, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to a minus b whole square. Now guys, we have to get this 4 and 3 in the form of a square. So 4 we know is the square of 2, so we can write it as 2 square. But guys, 3 is not the square of any number, so we write that as root 3 whole square because that equals the same, and minus 4 root 3 as it is. Here guys, we see that this expression is now in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here our 2 square is our a square, this root 3 square is our b square, and minus 4 root 3 is our minus 2ab because it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 3, which are our a and b. So we have this equal to 2ab. Now guys, we can abbreviate this in a minus b whole square form. So we have this square root of 2 minus root 3 whole square. Now guys, we know that square and root get cancelled, so here also they get cancelled and we get our answer, that is 2 minus root 3. And that's the answer of our question guys. If you learned anything new in the video, do like the video, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.